Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up cash on delivery payments in Shopify. This payment method is incredibly useful if you want to offer customers the option to pay when their order arrives, which can increase trust and conversions, especially in markets where online payment hesitancy is common. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log in to your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see your main navigation menu. From here, click on Settings. This is your control center for everything related to your store's configuration, from shipping to taxes to payment options. After clicking Settings, you'll be taken to a new page with additional options on the left side. Here, click on Payments. This section is where you'll manage all the ways customers can pay for their purchases, including credit cards, digital wallets, and manual payment methods like cash on delivery. Now, scroll down the Payments page until you find a section labeled Manual Payment Methods. This is where Shopify allows you to set up alternative payment options that don't process automatically through their system. These methods give you more flexibility in how you accept payments from customers. Under Manual Payment Methods, click on Manual Payment Method. A drop-down or list of options will appear, giving you access to different manual payment types that you can activate for your store. From the list that appears, click on Cash on Delivery. This option is specifically designed for businesses that want to collect payment at the time of delivery, making it a great choice for local deliveries or markets where COD is preferred. Next, you'll see fields where you can input additional details and payment instructions. This is your opportunity to clearly communicate to customers how the cash on delivery process works. You might want to include information like payment will be collected by our delivery agent or please have exact change ready. These instructions help set clear expectations and reduce confusion at checkout. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and are satisfied with your payment instructions, click Activate Cash on Delivery. This will enable the payment method on your store, and customers will now see it as an option during checkout. And there you have it. You've successfully set up cash on delivery payments in Shopify, giving your customers more flexibility in how they pay for their orders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.